Growing up, I sold my soul a good price, out of sight. My hoe got talent, right? Whole squad ran through that.
It's your boy AK47 Squad, and before you watch the video, follow me on Instagram. It's _King with a Z _7. Yeah, so this is always show every time I do a video. Yeah, we'll probably do the challenge against me versus my sister. Maybe next week, something like that, if you guys want. Oh, I could buy a new car. Bet. And Morrissey Bible. Watch me get, okay? Oh! Magic got hype for no reason. Okay. So I'm about to buy a new car. What should I buy? Get that guy a map. That's stuck in my head. Yo, I need to just find a nice whip though. You can't be rocking out here with the ugly whips. You have to buy the nice one. You have to buy the nice one. You feel me? Yo, is there any good cars? These are all, I swear, trash. If I can't get any good one, I might have to. Might have the wrong song. Okay. Okay, that means eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I just found a nice one. Ooh, let's collect this. Oh, whoa, whoa. When we're doing the sis versus me, remember? Yeah, I'm using this, just so you know. So if you're like, how come you're not using a purple Lamborghini? I mean, M1. Or yeah, because I'm using this. So, let's get to this. This is Loki, the latest car. 3E, pull up. Oh, black. I like orange. I'll stick with orange. I'll rock with orange. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's start this. We'll be doing 2 races. And then we'll be done. Let's get to this. Oh yeah, my new intro is actually nice. You see it. Also you're gonna see it. You probably already saw it. Yeah, you saw it. You already saw it right now. So yeah, we'll get right into this race. Yo, trying out the new whip. It's actually smooth. I like it. Smooth. Roadstar. I'm just kidding. That's what I hate. You already know. I told you guys like so much times. I hate that thing when that happens. You feel me? You should feel me. Yo, that car hella nice too. And that other nice. I'm not gonna try not to curse. Kid friendly channel. We're going up against better cars. I just noticed that since I'm like using this car, I'm pretty sure that's better. Unless I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. I'm never wrong. I'm just kidding. Check out the Batmobile. You saw that Batmobile. Yo, this car is hitting us. Like, this car is smoking us. And it's a BMW though. That's a fact though. That's a new song. Rex, you see this? Remember, I get mad over Rex. Lap 2. This is my first race of this car, so obviously probably gonna come in last, maybe first. That laugh was so ugly. Oh. Yes, I saved myself. I actually never took this way in so long. Or have I ever? Yeah, I have. I did. Flip. Yo! You see that B? Hey, that B? Hey, that ball? Hey, you see that ball? You see that ball? I'm not gonna say it, cause I'm not. Cause this is a kid. The only time I say like book, yeah, it's when I'm playing the shooting game. That gets me so mad. No jokes, that game gets me so mad. Yo, bet I'm in last, even though it says I'm in 7th. Actually, no, I'm not in last. I'm in not last. Here's the comeback. Here, guys. Now it's gonna be the comeback. This guy's so strong. And then I just wreck him up. Try to eliminate everybody as possible. See this? That's the ball. It's coming. The ball's coming. You see this? The ball's coming. Yes. Yes. I give it 5th at least. 4th been better. Okay, so let's hop into the next one. No? Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, I didn't even talk. I don't know why, but we're back. We're back since that 3, 2, 1. I don't know why the heck I didn't talk. I was just like, I ain't talking today. Nope. I was just like that. I was like, when we were doing the challenge, she did so bad in this. Yo. She low-key, I just got wrecked. She low-key came in last, no, 2nd. She came with the comeback. Oh, I can make it though. She can't make a normal one, but I can make a 360. This has really nice handle. Yo, that knocked that guy out. I know what I'm doing. I ain't heading to the portal. I ain't heading to the portal. I ain't heading. How you gonna steal me like that? Yeah, see? Yeah, they turn because they don't know this race. Yeah, this game is actually lit. See, you don't want that happening in the 2nd lap. You want to see like me passing. You don't want to see that. I already know. Man, get out of here. Oh, I was about to crash there. You see nothing? You didn't see nothing, no hobo? Yo, you saw that? That was skills. That was legit. I hate that when all the kids will be like, now what's legitness in my class? I'll be like, be quiet. That's annoying. Stop. So. Oh, this has a nice handle. I think we actually came in first. I told you, my dude. I told you my finger licking. I wasn't gonna make that. I already knew. We dusted everybody. Yo! I'm low-key. Oh! No! No! Okay, I was like, I lost. I was like, I thought I lost. Okay, I thought I was gonna crash. Flat spin. You know when I flat spin. We just hold this W. Just nice drifting. Yeah, that was lit drifting. Skirt. Oh, I get it first, but you already know. It's your boy AK-47 squad back again with, not back again, but about to leave. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but AK-47 squad. We out. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and follow and subscribe and like. Don't forget to do that. And I'll see you guys later. Easy, my dude.